Okay, next we'll study about the voltage follower. As you can see, this is the special case of non-inverting amplifier. In this, there is no feedback resistance, means RF is equal to 0. If there is no feedback resistance, then in that case, voltage gain is how much? Unity, right? So if voltage gain is unity, we can say that V naught is equal to V in. So it we can consider it as a very high input resistance, right? It has a very high input resistance and very low output resistance. So it will be used as a buffer for impedance matching. It has a very high input resistance and very low output resistance. As you know, if high input resistance is there, then the current would be low, right? And if very low output resistance is there, sorry, then in that case current would be high. So that's why this voltage follower is used as a buffer. And why what we do with the buffer, it will used for the impedance matching. So you can use this. They can ask you what is the exactly application of voltage follower. You can draw this diagram and you can tell that in this case voltage gain is unity, as there is no feedback resistance. So whatever voltage we are providing at the input side, will get the same voltage at the output side. So we'll use it as a impedance matching.